Hi guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. Just around at a mate's place today. The other day I put up a post that I'd been down to Australian Performance Boxes, or APB, down at Sydney, and I'd picked up a new item. So it's time to show you what I got. So I got a set of 600ml APB underbox trays. I put a post out a few weeks ago as well. What size should I get? So I ended up going 600ml. I did think about the 750s through another company. I've never dealt with them. I couldn't see them in person before I ordered them due to the fact stock didn't arrive till end of January. 900ml I could get locally, but that would mean I'd need to do some modifications under the tray. I just want to keep this simple and clean. Matthew had sales, the Black Friday sales on, so I was down in Sydney, I ordered them, paid for them, and went and picked them up. So I've never installed one of these before. Just going to take a bit of time. It's going to be a bit of measurement involved. Find out where I've got some framework that I can drill up into to support it. Tools I think I'm going to need. I've got some more tools over the side, but basic tools. Got a couple of variations of drills, spanners. Went out to Bunnings this morning, got some stainless steel bolts, washers, also some rubber washers to act as a bit of a cushioner. And I've also got some Sikaflex. I've got a couple of G-clamps that I might be able to use to support and hold it up. I've also brought this from home. Brought this a few years ago to install kitchen cabinets, and it's adjustable in its height. So I figured that to support the box whilst I'm working on it, I might put that underneath and that can take some of the weight. This is the way I've come up with what I want fitted. As I said, put a G-clamp just to hold it and support it. And I've also got the adjustable support underneath, just to hold it in position. Now what I'm looking for is that the end of the toolbox lines up with the weld or the seam. So to get the end of the under tray toolbox lined up with this seam and this edge, just got a straight edge, run it along there, comes down, and I'm about a mil or two out. So I'll just do a quick adjustment there, start finding support braces to mount it to. Now all I have to do is put a few marks on the back of the toolbox where the channels are that I'm going to drill into and use as a support. Also going to put a little mark just on the inside of the tray here as well, just so I know where my alignment is, so I can get it straight back. So this mark here, I know it's really accurate because that was the easiest one to get to. So I'm just going to set a set square off that. Probably come in 40mm. And then I'll do the same at the other end, come in 40mm. Now the channel is 25mm and I've already measured that out. So that's there. We'll come in so I'll drill my holes in the middle of that 25mm gap. I'll do that all the way up. Now I've measured the center of the channels. They're 150mm. So I've already started to mark them. I'll do that for the other two as well. That'll give me the locations. And then all I'm going to do is grab the other tray, set it back to back, do the marks across there, and I can do that one whilst it's here and I don't have to set it up. So I've got the other one set up now. Again, just do the marks, and then I'll come in 40 mil from this edge, 40 mil, 40 mil. The channels run parallel to each other. Just saves doing the same thing twice. It's a lot easier to do it here than to mount it, do it, and then go from there. So I've just got the boxes on the ground now, just with some of the insulation that they came wrapped in. On the marks, just a centre punch, just a tap. Let's just say your drill doesn't run. Just going to drill them out now, do that on both boxes. Then I'll drill from the inside of the box back up into the channel, and then I should be right to fit the nuts and bolts. Also going to do rubber washers and a little bit of Sikaflex as well, just to insulate the holes, and the rubber washers to act as a little bit of a cushioner. So whenever I drill holes, I don't go for the big size straight up. I start with a small drill and I work my way up. And just let the drill do the work. Don't sit there and force it in. Especially with the smaller drill bits, that's the way you'll break your drill bits. Once you've got your pilot holes done with the smaller drill bit, step it up to the size you require. Toolboxes are mounted back up temporarily again. So I've gone up and marked the holes out with a black marker. I'll take it off again, drill the holes out, and then we'll set up for installation. Underneath the trays drilled out, the box is already drilled as you've seen. So all I want to do now is a bolt, a washer. It's going to put a thin layer of Sikaflex around that, just so when it goes up into the base or into the top of the toolbox, I've got a seal. And then I'm going to put a bit more Sikaflex around the top and 2 rubber washers. That took a lot longer to get the one box installed than what I thought it would, due to just not thinking clearly. So the 2 holes that I've drilled at the front of the box, is in the face of the box here. You can't reach, can't get in there because of the bottom of the tray, and then you fit something underneath it. You've got 25 mil gap over 120 mil to try to get in there, and you can't get your hand in there and just hold it. So I'll come up with some tech screws or something like that, even bolts at the top and then dropping down. I couldn't do it. I've tried every way. So the alignment, I think I've got that pretty much spot on. So I'm just going to do a couple of measurements, do the same thing on the other side, but I'll only do the inside bolts, and for the ones that are at the front, I haven't drilled the holes on the other side yet, so I'll probably use some sort of tech screw or something, and then I'll work out something at the front edge here. Installation's complete, so it's taken a couple of hours longer than what I thought it would. I knew it'd be difficult to do by myself. It is a 2-man job. A couple of little mistakes. Don't drill 4 holes, and especially the ones at the front. If you're mounting directly on your tray, you just won't get to them. So I'll come up with a solution for that. As I said, I was looking for an alignment between the end here and straight up that door on the inside. Now on the passenger side, same thing, looking for that alignment straight up that edge. I'm pretty happy with that. Going to finish the video up there. Just before I do, don't forget to go to my online store, outletouring.etsy.com. You'll find stickers, patches, t-shirts, hoodies, caps and stubby holders. So I'm going to wrap up there. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell just to let you know there's another video coming out shortly. Cheers guys, travel safely.